Hey there, I'm Eric. Thought I would try out this half-gallon thermoflask like container. I got two of these that equal a gallon. They say they can last overnight using ice in them. I know the thermoflask can, so I'm going to test this one out and see how it is because it's half the price. It's built almost the same way. It's a little bit different, but we'll see. I'm going to put ice in it and I'm going to put some cold water in it and see how it is. So 24 hours later. Nice. Ignore the mess. I'm working on the e-bike battery. As you can hear, it still has ice in it. Let's check it out. Oh wow, it's got a big old ice cube in the middle of it there. Nice. Wow, so it's been now 48 hours and yep, there's still ice in it. So this is a two and a half pound penalty for me on bike touring, but being in Arizona, I think it's totally worth it just to be able to have a cold drink instead of a hot one. I feel like this generic bottle did just as good as the thermoflask, and as far as the half gallons go, I was able to get two of these for the price of one thermoflask. Yeah, I don't feel like I should have to pay $36 just for that name right there. So hopefully that cures any of you guys thinking I don't take enough water with me. So that'll be a gallon of water I'll be taking on bike tour with me, and it'll be cold, so I'll actually be happy to drink it. Till next time, try to have a good day.